All right, it's almost chicken wing time. What I'm about to show you is the best way that I've made chicken wings in the air fryer. I tried them with flour. I tried them with baking powder. I tried them with cornstarch. I tried coating them in oil. But this combination I'm about to show you has definitely put out the best results. First step is making sure those chicken wings are nice and dry. I mean, pat them dry, and then pat them dry again, and then pat them dry one more time. And then to take it a step further, which will take some time, but it's worth it, in the fridge on a wire rack for at least 3 hours. Okay, so let's get that breading taken care of. This, by the way, is enough breading for about 8 to 10 wings. You could easily double this. 2 heaping tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So like I said, I've tried baking powder on its own, I've tried flour on its own, I've tried cornstarch on its own. This combination of these two definitely gets me the best results. To that, about a teaspoon of kosher salt, about a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of smoked paprika, and some fresh ground pepper. And that's it. We're gonna sauce these wings, so that's where it's gonna get most of its flavor from. And when it comes down to the seasonings anyway, you can add whatever your favorites are. So, with those chicken wings, I also found the best way is in a bag. You take our dried chicken wings, pop them inside the bag. We're going to take our spice mixture. We're going to seal the bag. And we're going to shake the bag. Hands down, best way. And just for visual sake, we're going to lay them out so you can get a good look at them. So you can see the coating is nice and evenly distributed. And that's gonna help. So these are ready for the air fryer. Okay, and with the sauce, I'm just keeping it classic. Half a stick of butter. And about a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. And about a tablespoon or 2 of some honey. So we'll just let that butter melt, the sauce warm up. We're gonna do 390 and we're gonna preheat and we're gonna go 24 minutes. That seems to be the sweet spot. And I'm gonna remind myself to flip halfway. We're all preheated. Avocado oil. Just spray that bottom so we don't get anything stuck. You could also use any other high smoke point oil. And we'll get our chicken wings in. Of course, you want to always leave a little space when it comes to anything in the air fryer, so the air can circulate around everything. And these have skin on them, of course, so they will shrink a touch. But, you know, you don't want to throw 20 of these in at a time. You know what I mean? Here we go. Flip them halfway, 12 minutes. In the meantime, our sauce is looking on point, so we're going to move that to the warm zone. All right. So it's been halfway. So we're gonna give these all a flip. Now, halfway through, a little more avocado oil on the chicken. Let them finish cooking. All right, it's almost chicken wing time. Let's see, sauce is looking on point and perfect timing. So let's see. Yes, yes. And we're gonna grab temperature. Make sure we're good. Oh yeah, plop. We are definitely cooked. And I don't know if you can tell just by looking at them, but listen to this. We're gonna bring them over to the bowl here. Yep. One sticker. One sticking. So there we go. Nice. Hot, very hot, crispy chicken wings. Ooh. All right, one more thing, sauce. We're just gonna, a little splash of sauce in there. And we just kind of give them a toss in that sauce. Looking good to me. I am going to serve these with my homemade blue cheese ranch. Let's get that. Get that in there. Nice scoopage of that. Yeah, it's the best part. It's ranch dressing with blue cheese. I mean, wings best friends. We'll just plate up our chicken wings here. Dip it in that blue cheese ranch. Let me know in the comments your favorite way to do chicken wings in the air fryer. I'm still going to be testing different ways, but so far, this is the #1 way I found that I get the crispiest, tastiest chicken wings in the air fryer. I'm Cooking with Chris. Give the video a like and subscribe. More recipes coming soon.